Step into GrandMarc Austin in Austin, where student living gets a stylish, luxurious, and modern makeover. Pick from pet-friendly furnished studios or 1 to 4 bed apartments with private bathrooms and in-unit washer and dryers. Your rent already includes high-speed Wi-Fi, water, sewage, and garbage disposal for a convenient stay. Hit your fitness goals in the power-packed gym, refresh with a dip in the resort-style pool, and make unforgettable memories with friends at resident events. Also get on-site team management, round-the-clock phone services, and secure parking. This prime location is moments away from the University of Texas at Austin and Austin Community College, so you can forget about being late to class. With buses from Nueces 27th just around the corner and the local train station, it'll be easier to go around and beyond the city. You can also grab a bite in nearby restaurants or cafes to chill with friends. So, don't wait. Head to amberstudent.com and book your spot at GrandMarc Austin today.